Hey guys, there's a new recall out from BMW, so we're gonna go over those details in this video. Let's get started. BMW's actually expanded on the recall, but the problem is that it's actually for a different specific thing. So BMW is recalling 184,000 2006 models for the PCV heater that it actually might short out and cause a fire. All right, so you've seen my other previous videos on the blower motor wiring causing a short, causing a fire. This one's a little different, but they're tacking that onto it. So a lot of people are kind of getting confused. They're thinking that, oh, it's something that I already took care of. Oh, my car's not affected. No, this one's just 2006 for these specific model years. And of course, they're not starting it until May 28th as far as when they're sending out. Just like with any other BMW recall, they're gonna send this out. You're hearing this now, so I'm trying to get this information out to you guys, so keep an eye on it. So it's located underneath the intake manifold, so that way you guys can find it. If you do have an aftermarket intake manifold, you can get a quick like $15 part, so that way you can just do the change yourself if you wanted to. So I'd be checking your PCV just to see what the condition of it is, if you see any frayed wires or anything else like that. Just like with anything, they want you to park it outside. This is very typical as far as a lot of the pressure that BMW got as far as the car's catching on fire. So just be very cautious. Take a look at it. Like I said, May 28th, they'll be sending something out. You'll get something in the mail. Then they have to have the parts available, and then they'll contact you to get in. They'll go in order based on like the production year of the car, what I've seen. So you can always call your dealership, because sometimes they may have some stuff in, they may have some parts in before you get that letter in the mail, and then they can just go ahead and get you in. You can contact other dealerships depending on what they have. They're gonna try to work with you to, of course, get it all fixed up. So just like with anything, trying to spread the information to you guys, let you know as far as what this is going on, 2006 model years for what you just saw on the screen. Now I know a lot of my viewers are past that with the 335 and 54 and 55, so of course you guys aren't affected in this particular one, but I know I do have a lot of viewers that fall into this era, so I wanted to of course get that out to you guys. All right, so I am currently working on the M3 cowl DIY, so doing the full M3 cowl swap right here. It's gonna look nice. I'm just trying to tuck in a few different wires, filming it at the same time, so that way I can get that out to you guys here very shortly. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate the support on the channel. Of course, I wouldn't be here without you guys. Big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, check out my other great DIY videos, informational videos, spanning across a lot of other different models on BMW. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great weekend, and take care.